Okay, so our phonics last week you study about the word game, cake, name, and leg, right? So today I gonna teach you how to make the sound of the word game, cake, name, and leg. Okay, now let's start. Okay, you need one A. So A here means sound A. It's a long sound. So A sound. Okay. So A. What letter make sound A? A space E. What letter make sound A? A space E. Okay. What letter make sound A, everyone? A space E. Okay, now let's go to our word. So everyone, game. So now the word game. Let's tell me. So what is the beginning sound? G, right? Gers. What are the middle sound? What is the middle sound? A. So how do you make this letter sound? Okay, so So what is the beginning of what make the sound of letter G? G. What is the middle sound of the word game? A. What is the ending sound of the word game? Okay, so now let's make with me. G. A. Game. G. A. Game. Now your turn. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now let's go to cake. What is the beginning sound of the word cake? K, right? The middle sound is A. Ending sound is K. Okay, so K, A, K, cake. K, A, K, cake. Okay, good. Now your turn. Good job. How about the word name? What is the beginning sound of the word name? A. A. Name. A. Name. Okay, good. The last one. What is the beginning sound of the word lake? A. K. A. K. Okay, good. A. K. Lake. A. K. Lake. A. K. Lake. Okay. So now let's make the sound of the word lake. Good job. So now I want you to make the sound. When I tell you the word, you have to make the sound of that word. Okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Make the sound of the word cake. Good job. Make the sound of the word lake. Make the sound of the word game. Make the sound of the word name. Good job, everyone. So today you learn about how to make the sound. So I hope that when you finish this lesson, I hope that you will make the sound by yourself. Okay, so tomorrow you will go to page 7 and do exercise on page 7 of phonics textbook. Okay, everyone, that's all for today.